Welcome back for another vlog, guys. So as you can see from the title, it's Sunday. Yeah, and I'm cooking. Even though I'm off to a late start, guys. Coming and start cook till after 1. Was a little busy before. So after 1 I start cook. The only thing we get done already is like season up the meat and pressure the peas already, and may I steam some broccoli and cauliflower and carrot, guys. So yeah, just start steam this, yeah, let me say, and me just finish pressure the peas. So maybe pan that for cool, for throw it out, and of course season the meat. May I go french fry it. So may I go make the season the flour and stuff. I'm gonna use the french fries, um for that. And of course I'm gonna make some macaroni pie, but I want to get them rolling first. Let me say me off to a late start, so the macaroni done boiled, guys, and the rice in the pot, and the last set of chicken on the stove. So guys, the last set of chicken are frying. The macaroni done cook. I'm gonna make the sauce or the roux or whatever you call it. Yeah, to put it in the oven, and then the rice got another pot. So almost done, man. Almost done. So me I make my gravy. So I'm gonna use the oil with the chicken frying with some barbecue sauce. I'm gonna use some ketchup as well, and the water with the chicken season up, I'm gonna throw that in there as well, guys. I'm gonna taste it first to make sure say it don't want salt before I add no salt or any other else season inside of it, because the water the chicken season up already salt. So you don't want to go put no salt in there and go get the gravy too salty. So you do a taste test first before you add in any kind of other seasoning inside of it. Alright. So guys, sauce done make, of course, and I'm gonna make my gravy, I should have said, done make. So I'm gonna make my sauce now for the macaroni and cheese, and I'm gonna use the full cream. Alright, I'm gonna have like 2 cheddar cheese. Yeah, so like this, I buy them 2 cheddar cheese and 1 pack of mozzarella. Okay, look. 1 pack of mozzarella. And you know, I'm gonna use a piece of butter and like a flour to start off the roux. Alright guys, sure, gravy don't make. There it is. Of course, that's the gravy. That's the gravy for rice and peas, and the rice and peas. So down, I turn down the stove under that. Just turn down the fire under that. Alright, so I'm gonna start it off now, guys. Put all of the cheese them in a one dish. We just do it like this. Yeah, mix it all in a one dish. So let's start.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
wash up. So by the time if you done wash up them, yeah, and wipe out the kitchen, it's supposed to done. We can't share. Can't share with the dirty plate them and pot. Me have to clean that up first. Clean up the kitchen. Say so me done share. And everybody eat. When them come around, them just wash out them plate and put up. So that's what me gonna do now. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, guys, and thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe. I catch you all in another video, guys. Bye.